Hi guys, why you should always say inshallah as a house manager. This is a very powerful statement, and if you learn to use it, like let it be your word, most of the time when your madam tells you, go and do this, tell her inshallah. Go and wash the clothes, tell her inshallah. Why do we say so? This word is a very powerful word and it means when God wills. So in case of anything, if anything happens like which is not correct, and remember you have already said inshallah, she will not quarrel, she will not shout to you or yell to you, because you have already said inshallah, which means if God wills. So anything that will happen in the course of anything that you are doing, it is God's will. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Inshallah.